to Maths online class. I am Mrs. Kavita Jairaj. Today in mathematics we will be continuing chapter multiplication. So for today our first topic is multiplication by greater number. Right? So to multiply greater number, like greater number more than 20, we will use lattice multiplication method. So let us understand with the help of example. Here 278 multiplied by 34. So first thing you need to align the number, right? Like I have already aligned it. Now the place value it is mentioned here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 278 multiplied by 34. What we will do, we will multiply first this 4 which is at ones place with all the digits of multiplicand. Then we will multiply this 3 which is at tens place with all the digits of multiplicand. And then we add them. Understood? Let us do it. So 8 into 4. What is 8 into 4? 32. So we will write 2 here and 3 carrying. Now 7 into 4. What is 7 into 4? 28. 28 and this 3 which we carried plus 3. So 28 plus 3, 29, 30, 31. So we will write 1 below the tens column and we will carry 3 again. Now 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So here because there is no more number to multiply, we will write 1 here, 11 and 1 here. Understood? Now as I told you, now we will multiply 3 with all the digits. So before that, children, 3 is at tens place. So when we multiply 3, we will start writing from tens place, not from the ones place. So in ones place, we will write 0. Understood? Now we will multiply 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. So we will write 4 here and 2 again we will carry. Now 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is 21. 21 plus 2, 23. So we will write 3 again and we will carry 2 here. Now 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. So we will write 8 here. Now as I told you, we add them, right? So we will add this. Now 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 8, 9. Right? So what is our product? 9, 4, 5, 2. How we will say? 9,452. Understood? Let us do one more example. Now in this example, again we have a number 24,248. We will multiply by 32. Same steps we will follow. What we will do? We will multiply 2 with all the digits of multiplicand. Then we will multiply by 3 with all the digits and then we add. Understood? So let us do it. Now 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16. So we will write here 6 and 1 we will carry. Now 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So we will write 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So we will write 8. Again 2 into 2 is 4. So we will write here 4. Now what I told you, when we will multiply this this tens place, we will write 0 in ones place here. So we will first write 0 here. Okay. Now 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24. So we will write here 4 and 2 we will again carry. Now 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12 plus 2 14. So again we will write 4 here and 1 we will carry here. Now 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3? 6 plus 1 7. So we will write 7. Now 4 into 3 again. 4 into 3 is 12. So what we will do? We will write 2 here and 1 we will carry to 10,000 space. Now again 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6 and plus 1 7. So we will write here 7. Now what we will do? Yes, we will add. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we will write 3 here and 1 we will carry here. Now 4 plus 4 is 8 and plus 1 9. Now 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So we will write 5 here. 1 we will carry. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. And this 7 again we will write as it is here. So what is my product now? 7,75,936. Because 1 stands 100,000, 10,000 lakh. So how we will say this number? 7,75,936. Now children, our next topic is multiplying by 10, 100, 1,000 and 10,000 without actual multiplication. So first let's see multiply by 10. So when we multiply by 10, what we do? We put 1 0 at the right of the number. So here when 293 multiply by 10, we write number 293 as it is and we put 1 0 at the right. Let us see one more example. 71,486 multiply by 10. What I told you? We will write the number as it is and we will put 1 0. So we will write 7 1 4 8 6. And now what we will do? We will add 0. Understood? Now multiply by 100. So when we multiply by 100, we put 2 0 at the right. So 629 multiply by 100, 629 as it is and 2 zeros are here. So we will put here 2 zeros. Let's see one more example. 1945, that is 1945 multiply by 100. What we will do? We will write 1945 as it is, that is 1945, and how many zeros we will put? 2 zeros. So we will write here 2 zeros. Understood? Multiply by 1000. So when we multiply by 1000, how many zeros we will add? We will add 3 zeros. So see here, 45 multiply by 1000. So we will write 45 as it is and we will add 3 zeros at the right of the number. 306 multiply by 1000. So again this 306 we will write as it is and we add 3 zero at the right. Now multiply by 10,000. So multiply by 10,000, how many zeros are there in 10,000? 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add 4 zeros. Now 42 multiply by 10,000 is equal to 42. That is 42 I have written as it is and 4 zeros. So this is the answer 4,20,000. 1000. Understood? You don't need to do actual multiplication. Just add the zeros at the right. Now multiply by multiples of 10. So here when we multiply by multiple of tens, what we will do? We will multiply first the non-zero factors. So here 53 multiplied by 20. What are non-zero factors? 53 and 2. So we will multiply 53 into 2 is equal to 106. Now what we will do? We will add as many zeros at the product, end of the product, where total number of zeros which are present in the factors. So here total number of zero present in the factor is 1. So we add 1 zero. Understood? Let us do one more example. Here 300 multiplied by 750. So what are non-zero factors here? 3 and 75. So 3 multiplied by 75 is 225. Now the total number of zeros in the factors 1, 2 and 3. So we add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So the product will be 2,25,000. Understood?
Many situations around us require repeated addition or multiplication. We call such situations as multiplication stories. While solving such problems, we have to write proper statements, at least of 2 lines. Then complete working need to be shown, and at the end 1 line answer statement must be there. So let us understand with one example. Each bag has 2138 pins. How many pins will 14 such bags have?
Now, in word problem, you have to write statement first. So here, number of pins in one bag. So how many pins in one bag? 2138, which is given in the question. How many bags are there? Number of bags? 14. So, in 14 bags, if we want to find how many pins will be there, we will multiply it, right? So 2138 multiplied by 14. So as you already know how to multiply, we first multiply 4 with all the digits and then 1 with all the digits. 8 into 4 is 32. 2 we will write here and 3 carry. Now 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So we will write 5 here and 1 carry. Now 4 into 1 is 4 only, plus 1, 5. 4 into 2 is 8. So we will write 8 here. Now we will write 0 below 1's place and start multiplying the tens place. So 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. Now we add both the lines. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 8, 13. So we will write 3 here and 1 carry. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 2, we will write 2 as it is. The last statement line will be total number of pins is equal to, what is the answer? 29,932. So we will write 29,932. Clear? How to write the statement, and then you have to show the working and then you will write the statement answer on the last line of the statement. So first you have to write at least 2 lines of the statement, then you have to show the multiplication, the working, and then the final answer. Clear, students? I hope you understood what all topics we covered today. Do practice at home. Take care of yourself.